Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be reviewing African waist beads and other accessories and jewelries. So viewers, today's video, sit tight, get yourself a glass of wine and watch what I'm about to do. So in today's video, I will be reviewing this company called originalafricanbeads.com. I will leave in the link in the description box down below, and you will get a coupon code from me if you purchase from them, which is the code OAB standing for Original African Beads. OAB 10% discount code on your entire purchase if you use my code. So Original African Beads sells a range, varieties of African waist beads, jewelries, earrings, accessories, bangles, and so on and so forth. So if you are interested, let's go. So first of all, I will be starting with African waist beads. I will be reading the definition of what African waist beads are. So African waist beads are traditional African accessories that consist of small glass beads on string or wire worn around the waist or hips. In Ghana, Nigeria, Senegal, and other West African countries, waist beads are a symbol of femininity, fertility, sensuality, and spiritual well-being. So basically, in a nutshell, that is the definition of African waist beads. Another question people ask is, does African waist beads shape your body? It's said that the beads shape your body and keep the waist small and hips accentuated. It was and still is used as a measurement. 2, the beads do not stretch, so if when the beads start to feel a little bit tight, it means you put on weight, guys. It's a sign that there was a weight gain, and vice versa. So these are all the questions I'm going to answer or talk about regarding African waist beads. So guys, originalafricanbeads.com is a UK-based African jewelry shop. They ship worldwide. And one thing I like about their African waist beads is this can be worn as a chain around your neck because it's very stretchy. It can be worn as the waist bead. So guys, as you can see, I've got 2 green African waist beads and it's very stretchable. It's made of elastic wire. So guys, these are the waist beads I wore around my waist, and these are very stretchy. It can fit any size. In the past, waist beads were made out of this thread, especially if you are looking for a waist bead to check out whether you're gaining or losing weight. You need to select the waist beads that is more on the thread side. One thing I also wanted to show was this amazing black tiger beads, and this is basically a bracelet. These bracelets are so amazing and beautiful. These are very top-notch, expensive looking. And one thing I love about Original African Beads is the fact that all their products are handmade. It's not factory made, they are handmade. The beads are carefully selected from West Africa, Ethiopia, Egypt, around the African continent, and they are made with love and care. And there is also the tiger eye brown. Guys, can you see how beautiful this bracelet looks? This is so quality. This is so chic. Guys, these are the products I got from them, and these products are so amazing. I went back on the website and purchased more of these African beads, waist beads. I've got about 10 on my waist now, and I've got these 3 that I was given. I love their product, so I just thought I should show you how it actually looks. So guys, this rose gave me a shock when I received it. Can you viewers guess what this rose is? I know you cannot guess, so I will demonstrate. But before I do so, I wanted to say my earrings. Have you seen how beautiful my earrings looks? My earrings are from originalafricanbeads.com as well. They sell amazing earrings. If you visit their website and click earrings, you will see it. And also these ring, the moon and star double ring, are from originalafricanbeads.com as well. And this butterfly ring, oh my days, guys, can you see how amazing? Can you see how amazing this butterfly ring looks like? So basically, let's get on. This rose, it's a ring holder and it's very affordable, guys. This rose is a ring holder. I will be using my butterfly ring. This is how my butterfly ring looks like. So this rose is a ring holder. If you are a guy watching this video and you want to propose to a woman, I will suggest you do it in a really stylish way. Get yourself a rose ring holder from a rose ring case from originalafricanbeads.com. untitled.com and get yourself this amazing beautiful ring case. Go down on your knees and propose, guys. So this is how amazing my rose ring case is, and let me put back my ring on. I love their products, and their prices are very affordable. As I stated, you will get 10% off if you use the coupon code OAB, which stands for Original African Beads, OAB10, all in capitals, no spaces. Get 10% off your overall purchase. Check out the originalafricanbeads.com for amazing African waist beads, African jewelries, bracelets, charms, earrings, which are all made out of stainless steel 24K sterling gold. So viewers, if you are interested, check out originalafricanbead.com for quality, affordable waist beads. Hope you viewers did enjoy this video, and I'll see you viewers in my next. Stay blessed. Bye bye.